Today is the 18th of August. What a blessing Friday, guys. Amazing profit, guys. Euro yen. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. Pretty straightforward, guys. As mentioned to my trader, you know, yesterday and even before that, the price is developed. This is called a rising wedge. And as I explained my trader, this is early sign of reversal. Once this is going to be happen, then keep enjoying it. So if you look at here, price develop head and shoulder pattern that give us the high probability option for look for the counter short trade. We've been long here, and after this breakout, as explained, my trader just keep taking up pullbacks, and we really enjoy. And the target was around this level, which price nicely hit and bank amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That's the key important thing is. And if you look at here, we had yesterday at the New York session, we had this beautiful breakout and beautiful amazing trade because our bias was developed look for the short. But as I explained to my trader, this is a part of the training. As explained, these are the point of interest. Let the market break the structure, we'll have the clear picture where the market is heading. So you can see here market was about to break, which we announced through live audio commentary. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, I said, guys, consider banking some pips and now keep taking up pullbacks. And that's after banking some profit, we did this analysis. As you can see here, as explained, just keep taking all the, as explained to my trader, any pullback would consider high probability trade. As mentioned here, you can see a pullback, 1 second, third, beautiful, not to miss any opportunity. Even London morning session, just before London morning, I say, guys, look, let the market break the structure and look for another opportunity. As you can see here, as mentioned, our bias was short. That's what I explained my trader. Our first priority always be look towards the trend and the momentum. And if you look at the momentum was bearish, and as if you look at the price action, price nicely broken at this level. After the breakout, price give us the confirmation. We have another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target based on the 4 hour, that's what I explained my trader, is time to bank amazing profit. All right, guys, you want to see all that analysis in real time? Most welcome, guys. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day, guys.